Okay, class. So here are the directions for today. What's really important. Um, so our agenda for today. Number one, take the survey like every other day. Number two, play the Kahoot game. The Kahoot game is just a review of the scientific method. You've played this one before. It's just always a good review to remember the purpose of this whole stream study was to learn the scientific method. So I have included a Kahoot. 3, and the most important, if you have not finished your data analysis packet, packet 2, you need to complete this. That's why it's highlighted here. Please complete packet number 2. You guys know who you are. If you're not at the conclusion yet, you need to finish packet 2 for sure today. Okay? Number 4, once you're done with packet 2, many of you are already done with packet 2. Once you're done with packet 2, go to number 4. Do the rerun sheet on the conclusion packet. So there's a page at the end of the conclusion packet. Let me grab mine here. 1 second. Okay. There's a page at the end of the conclusion sheet. If you look here, it says rerun. Fill this out before you make your conclusion because it's going to help you a lot when you're writing the paragraph. Once you're done filling out the rerun sheet on the back, write your paragraph on Google Classroom. To do this, you're going to go to Google Classroom. Let's say you're in Holbrook's class. Remember, conclusion for stream study, and we'll go to the instructions here. You're going to have 2 options. On yours, it's going to look a little bit different, but you're going to have the PDF, which is the directions, and then up in the top right next to kind of, there's going to be some words here. There's going to be the PDF below it. Over here in the top right, you're going to write yours in a Google Doc. Your Google Doc should look something like this. It's going to be blank except for the title. I want you to write yours here. Okay, you're going to start writing your paragraph right below the title. Your paragraph should be at least half a page long, could be a page long. This is not a short 3-sentence paragraph, okay? You need to include everything from rerun, okay? Which means when you get to the results part, or the second R, you need to cover stream flow, you need to cover pH, you need to cover conductivity, you need to cover the macroinvertebrate study. That's the same thing as PTI. You guys have all of this information in packet 2 and packet 1. All you have to do is look at packet 2 to figure out what you need to write for results. Remember, this is a test grade. It's due Tuesday. So you're going to have today to work on it. You're going to have tomorrow to work on it. And then we're moving on in class to something else next week. I'm not collecting it Monday. I'm collecting it Tuesday. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'm going to be in and out of meetings this afternoon. So the best way to get a hold of me is to send an email. Like I said, this is a paragraph. You're not just bullet pointing rerun. Otherwise, I would have just had you write it on this paper, right? What you're going to be doing is writing it as a paragraph. Okay, so you need an intro, a body, and a conclusion. So make sure you're reading your rubric too. This is exactly how I'm going to grade you. Every one of you should have this packet. The conclusion packet says that's all, folks, at the top. But if you do not have it, I also included it in the conclusion on Google Classroom right here. This is the directions right here. So, like I said, we'll go back to the agenda here so you know exactly what you need to do. If it loads. Okay, basically, big things. Survey Kahoot and then finish your conclusion. If you haven't done packet 2, you need to absolutely get that done today. This is the most important thing to get done today if you have not completed it. Okay. After that, if you've already written your conclusion, I want you to grade yourself on the rubric. There's a rubric on page 2. On this rubric, I want you to grade yourself. Change anything that needs to be changed on your conclusion to get a better grade. And I will check your work tomorrow to see if there's anything I would like for you to change. But you can always improve your conclusion. Remember, I'm grading spelling. I want it to be a good paragraph. I want you to include all the rerun pieces. I also want you to include all the data. So there's always something to do better. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions, send me an email. So right here, I am going to just leave this up again. This is the agenda. This is what we're doing today. Steps 1 through 7, okay? 1 and 2, everyone's doing, and then 3 through 7, everyone's at a little bit different place. So make sure you know what you need to do, okay?